Hello everyone, welcome to your maths class. Today we will study subtraction of double-digit numbers with borrowing. Children, now we are ready to learn subtraction of double-digit numbers with borrowing. Let us use an example. If I ask you what is 35 minus 18? Our first step would be to arrange the numbers vertically as per their place value. So we have placed 3 tens and 5 ones minus 1 10 and 8 ones. We have placed the numbers. Now our next step. Step number 2. Always start subtracting from ones place. So is it possible to subtract 5 minus 8? No, correct children, because 5 is less than 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 5. Let us move with step number 3. Borrow from tens. So now 5 will borrow from 3. As you can see, 3 is in tens place. So we will regroup 3 tens to 2 tens plus 10 ones. So we will cut 3 and write 2 in the tens column. We'll add 10 ones plus 5 ones. We'll get the number 15 ones. We'll cut 5 and write 15 in the ones column. Now next step is step number 4. Now subtract ones. 15 minus 8, you get 7 ones. So you will write 7 in ones column. Our last step is step number 5. After subtracting ones, we'll subtract tens. Here we subtract 2 minus 1 to get 110. Now write 1 in tens column. So we got the answer 17. So 35 minus 18 is equal to 17. Let us take another example. If I say, what is 40 minus 70? Our first step would be to arrange the numbers vertically as per their place value. 4 tens and 0 ones minus 1 10 and 7 ones. So here we have placed the numbers according to their place value. Step number 2. Always start subtracting from ones place. Is it possible to subtract 0 minus 7? No, correct children, because 0 is less than 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. Step number 3. Borrow from tens. 0 will borrow from 4. As you can see, 4 is in tens place. So, we will regroup 4 tens to 3 tens and 10 ones. We'll cut 4 and write 3 in the tens column. Then we'll add 10 ones plus 0 to get 10 ones. After that, we'll cut 0 and write 10 in the ones column. Our step number 4. Now, we'll subtract ones. So, in ones place, the number is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, you get 3 ones. So, write 3 in the ones column. Next step is step number 5. After subtracting ones, we'll subtract the tens. Here we get 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, we get 2 tens. Now write 2 in the tens column. So our answer is 23. So 40 minus 17 is 23. Children, I hope you have understood by now. I hope you enjoyed doing the subtraction sum. Here we have come to the end. Your homework is to solve the sums in your rough notebook. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video. So bye-bye for now. Meet you in next class.